want to see my apartment, hopefully. And this would be my view. I know. Well, I get my exercise. Oh. Uh-oh. You okay? That would be me usually. See? Dang it.
It's new from 3 months ago.
I'm sorry?
It's been renewed 3 months ago.
Oh, okay.
C'est tout neuf, en fait.
Oh.
Voilà, donc là, vous avez la cuisine qui est qui est équipée. Il y a le micro-ondes. Là, vous avez le frigidaire. Des placards de rangement. Là aussi. Hop. Là, vous avez des verres quand même. Ici, ça c'est pour un emplacement. Alors, qu'est-ce que je suis pas sûre qu'on puisse mettre des choses ici. Ici, vous avez les compteurs qui sont cachés. Vous avez les compteurs liquides.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Donc ici, la salle de bain. Donc, je pense qu'il y a peut-être la place de mettre un...
Oh my God. Oh, it's... Okay.
Non, il y a la place.
What you looking? Oh.
Et ici, c'est comment on va
Probably can't.
mettre l'eau et mettre le four. The dressing? For girls, c'est very
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ça s'ouvre comme ça. Allez-y, entrez, hein.
Let the ladies look at the closet. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You have lots of
Oh
stuff.
my goodness.
So the same, just here, over there.
More. Oh, more. Oh, this is.
Yes, it's very...
Oh, this is fantastic.
And there's a room.
Oh, and there's another. Oh. Oh.
Voilà.
Oh my goodness.
Donc il y a du double vitrage, hein, évidemment.
Okay. Well, this is the morning, my last morning here in my host accommodations because I finally am moving into my apartment. I have so been waiting for this day, believe you me. Thank God it came just in time before the birthday, before the holidays, and right when my nerves was getting about this thin because I'm over 50 and I can't live with somebody for a long period of time. So this had to be done. It made it easier on my finances. And so, yeah, so I have everything packed up and everything is packed up here in the center. Definitely a lot of little knickknacks. I didn't buy too much stuff while I was here, knowing that I was going to leave. So all of this stuff in the middle, I'm going to have friends hopefully take little by little things. And then there's my bike in that corner. and that's still going to be an issue. But yeah, so everything, I've cleaned up everything. Those boxes, 2 boxes over there, my computer printer. But yeah, cleaned up every single thing. I'm just going to sweep for her, but wiped everything down. Nothing has been damaged. There's my computer printer. And yeah, this is all my stuff. So yeah, a lot, but not a lot. A lot of it's in suitcases, thank goodness. So yeah, so today is the day. I wish it was earlier in the morning. So I do have to go to class. I am going to go to class. Realized I need to go buy some towels. So I'm going to go to class. And I get out of class in time that I can go get a couple cheap towels for now till I can get some really good ones. And at least have some towels and washcloth for me to be able to shower tonight in my shower. So that means I got to go to the grocery store also and get items. So I may do that after I actually move everything in, so that's less that I have to have people help me carry. So okay, so I am getting ready to see what I am going to take with me to be able to take a couple things with me while I'm going to sign my lease. So I'm trying to figure this out. And so because I think that there'll be my realtor, who's a guy there, and I need to take the heaviest thing, I'm going to take my big suitcase. This is a real heavy one. So I'm going to take that in that one bag. And then I'm probably just going to end up coming back a few times, of course, getting some stuff. And then folks are going to help me about 3 o'clock. Then I'll have some other people so we can all kind of like go over at the same time. And I still have those boxes over there. But my girl let me hold her dolly, so that's going to be really useful. Okay, as you can see, the elevator is small, so I'm gonna have to put all my stuff, try to squeeze me and my stuff in the elevator to take it down to the first floor. And so this is what this is gonna be. Several trips of me doing this in this elevator. It's gonna take a minute. The good thing about rolling this big old suitcase is that it's not unusual in Europe to see people rolling around with their suitcases. So I'm coming up on where I have to go. Me and my big suitcase. Oops. Me and my big suitcase rolling up. And we'll see how I'm gonna get this up the stairs. Okay, so I made it. I'm probably here knowing me a little early. So I rolled this whole big old suitcase. You can see the Ferris wheel being built. And this is where I'll be living. The tram is right here in front of me. The market's over there. And I'm just gonna wait here for Fabricio and the other folks. Luckily, it's on the first floor, so it's not too many floors I have to go up for me to trek this big old suitcase. So we'll see. I'm signing my life away. I trust that we say realtor. What is the term that you guys call realtor? Is it
L'agence immobilière.
Hello, yes.
L'agence, yeah.
I trust him with everything, that I'm signing everything and I know what I'm signing. So I'm just signing a copy of my lease with pictures of everything.
What I see on the screen is what I'm filming, right? Okay. That's good.
Vinny, come back. much. Thank you. I'm happy. So happy. You have no idea how happy I am right now. Yay! Now to get all my stuff moved in, that's gonna be the other thing. But we now have figured out the elevator,
Yeah,
so
right.
that's gonna be, it's gonna be, because I have a dolly, so that's gonna be, it's gonna be better.
Okay,
I can bring
yeah.
several things at one time and just maybe make a couple trips, so that'll work.
Okay.
Okay?
Welcome.
The keys to my apartment. Yay! Thank you very much. And this is the main man right here, the main man that found this place for me in record time. Thank you so very much. So the first night in my apartment was lovely after all the stress. So I unpacked a couple things. Started putting some things away, but I want to get some liners and things that will not mess up the apartment because they do charge you for every little thing. So there's some construction going on, which I didn't know about. So I slept comfortably in my bed, very comfortable, starting to get my things together and starting to unpack. So that is what I'm going to do today. I'm actually headed out now to a couple of stores to get some necessities like a garbage can, things of that nature. And then coming back, today is Thanksgiving Day, so I had plans on cooking, but that's not gonna work because I don't have all my pots and pans to do that. So I am going to probably hang out with some expats tonight at a pub. But this is the view from my window in my bedroom, which is just fantastic. Look at that. And the Christmas market, they're putting it together, is so beautiful. So definitely got to get some curtains to go up here. Don't know how I'm going to get up there to get them up, but I definitely need something to block the light. So yeah, that's going to be what I'm going to do, all getting it together. And finally, just can't believe I've got everything. I've been here only since September, so I've been here 2 months, and I have my regular gig, I have my French bank account, I have my own apartment. This is how I know it was meant for me to be in France.
Artlist.io.
And my island is finally put together, and my oven is housed on this bad boy. So yes, there's area if I want to put bar stools, which I'm not. I might put a couple desk drawers to put my work stuff in because this is going to be my work area. But it also has some shelving on the back side so I can put items there and not have to reach to the top. So yes, I am very, very, very happy with how it turned out. It matches perfectly with the decor. Look at the gray and the gray on the walls. All of this I've done within a week, and now I have tons of boxes that I need to take downstairs and to figure out where they go. I've even figured out my television, and I've got my Christmas tree. So a couple more Christmas ornaments, decorations, and then I'll be able to feel the festive Christmas and my birthday spirit.